Yeah.
All right, welcome folks to Jimmy and Neil Have Problems. Today is a special day. This is our first follow-up to an episode. Problem was cooking smells great, but you can't do it all the time. And one of the solutions was a food scented candle. And we found, thanks to the Stinky Candle Co., a pizza candle. And so this is kind of like an unboxing episode.
Found pizza candle.
The pizza candle. And unfortunately, we're not sponsored by the Stinky Candle Co. This is free promotion for them, but do check them out.
Well,
They're
or
dope.
not. That
Well,
that
you're
means we're
right.
unbiased, so
I
we can
haven't
say
tried it.
this is the worst.
I haven't tried it. So I'm gonna send it over to Neil. He's gonna break down the levers that we determined for this problem, and I'm gonna kind of rate the levers here.
So when we were thinking about this, we broke it down into three major levers. And those were delivery method, aromatic intensity, and time. Time, not sure how Jimmy will be able to tell how when he gets sick of it. We'll see how bad it is. But we'll put him on the spot as he is trying this particular solution.
Yeah, and I think I'm gonna keep the candle on throughout the next few episodes, so you'll get to like check in periodically with this week's episodes and see how bad it gets. But all right, so delivery method, we've got an aerosol. Well, kind of an aerosol. I don't know if a candle counts.
Well, candle aerosolizes the wax and the oils embedded in the wax.
So aerosol method, aromatic intensity, it's pretty strong. I mean, it smells mostly like oregano.
This is strong prior to being burned.
This is exactly.
Yeah.
And it's like oregano with a
this
nasty...
is the nose in candle method.
The nose in candle delivery method. And it smells like oregano with just a nasty aftertaste. Like if you had a bunch of oregano and then burped, that's what this candle would smell like.
Yeah. So is it leaning more heavily on the spices and not so much on the cheese sauce?
It's a spice heavy one, and I have a feeling I'm gonna get sick of this very quickly. But here's the first light, everybody. I don't know if you can see it. Woo! And this is our first product try. I've wanted to do this for a while, and I wanted to actually have a TikTok. That'd be fun. But this is a little bit long form for TikTok, I think. Well, so that's the kickoff. Like, so far, this is not promising. I'm not psyched about the food candle idea, but we'll see. Listen through the next 3 episodes, and you'll get a little hint.
What is your 20-second eval now?
20 seconds of the food candle?
Yeah, like of it burning for 20 seconds.
I don't even smell anything yet. Oh, it's better this way. It's actually better with the candle on.
And it's burning.
Because it gives it a little bit of a pizza, like cooked pizza smell.
Yeah.
Whereas before it was just like if you threw oregano at my nose. That's what I was getting.
Yeah.
Which oregano is a great scent, but
you don't want to be snorting it.
Yeah, you don't want to. No. And I think in terms of the time lever, I'm going to get sick of this scent pretty quickly. Yeah. As a candle connoisseur, I'm embarrassed by this purchase a little bit. But nobody is home but me. So thank God nobody has to deal with this.
Well, I mean, we'll see how much it lingers.
I think you're right. I think
maybe next week when we record, Liv will have kicked you out.
That might be. I'll be recording from I don't know where. God knows where. Back in Michigan, probably. Neil's basement. This does make me want though to try a White Claw and a garlic candle, because the Stinky Candle Co. has a garlic candle, and it makes me want to buy that and try that, because I think that'd be a really big test.
I mean, on one hand, like it'd be really fun to test all of them on the Stinky Candle Co. Stinky Candy Co. would be a different beast.
Oh my God. We need to start the Stinky Candle Co. or the Stinky Candy Co.
Yeah.
This is really difficult to say.
Yeah. But then also it'd be a shame to be like, oh, I have no money. I can do no fun things because I bought pizza candle and garlic candle.
Well, so folks, all right. So we have so many startup ideas. A year ago, we entered a startup competition with one of our startup ideas, and we forgot about it, and we ended up winning $1,000. So we're sitting on a G right here,
Yeah.
and we could put all of it towards candles.
Just buy candles.
Or here's my thing. I think we should show Stinky Candle Co. this video and say, hey, give us some free candles. We'll give you free promotion. We have 4 followers,
We have
subscribers on
4
YouTube. We have 3 episodic listeners on Spotify. We will push your product.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So I think it's a shot. But so listen to the next 3 podcasts. We'll give you updates about the scent of this candle. And who knows, if you like this, we might buy more candles, courtesy of Start Garden, aka Van Andel money. I'm sure they'd be psyched to hear that's what we're spending it on.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, folks, that's all we have for this special edition. Thanks for joining us.